If you have stuffy sinuses and either a wet or dry cough, you may want to drink a cup of hot ginger tea. You can also use ginger in steam inhalation by adding a heaping teaspoon of ginger powder to a bowl of just boiled water. Ginger can open up the congestion in your head and chest and will help quiet your cough. It is antimicrobial to help fight any infection that may be causing that cough. It is also anti-inflammatory and analgesic, which means it can help if you have a headache. It will also warm you up if you're feeling cold, so if you're already warm, this is probably not a good choice for you.